to do that.
Yeah, go.
Alright, I'm back with part 3, and I'm using the Spaz 12. So, before I start, I'm not a Spaz, or I'll shoot you if you say I am.
I'm not going to say
I
that.
like this gun, doesn't mean I'm a Spaz. That was a good start.
And that there proves it.
Yeah. Now, I filled them up too high, so that's why they're not sitting properly. I didn't even need to pull the trigger. That's magic. I could have said I did. It's like silenced bullets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good shot.
Huh?
Good shot.
No, I guess. Oh, come on. First already. You're all just hitting me in the nuts. Thank you. The bullets are weak. I don't think there's that many bullets left in this, so.
Nice first shot soon.
I salute you. Shame I ain't got a blindfold. I'll
Who's-
get one.
You'd hit me. There you
I
go.
do it on purpose. I'm sorry if it's boring because I'm going up and down all the time. It's not constantly one shot after another. But it makes the videos longer, more interesting. That was a big hole actually. And there's a bullet in it, again.
Yeah.
More bullets.
I wonder how many jokes we get at the end of this video.
Huh?
I wonder how many jokes we get at the end of this video.
I'm not a spaz. Ow. 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 Bastard. Ha. That was actually my dick that time. Yay.
Huzzah!
Ah, fucking lost. Revenge kill. Yeah. Die.
Poor war balloon bled to death.
Dun, dun, dun. You fat bastard. Suck it.
Finally!
Shut up, I don't see you trying.
You don't want me to.
No, you don't want to. 3 more balloons left. Yay!
Yay! I think.
3 left. Yo! Ah, there we go. Die.
Huzzah!
And there goes my socks. Why am I wearing socks outside? Got the skin across my face.
You're out.
No! Best thing to do. Hammer it in. Shall I?
Yeah.
Best way to use a Spaz 12.
Yeah. It's by being a spaz.
If you run out of bullets, always do this.
It's effective.
Yeah, definitely. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys later.